Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm already posted a tutorial video of fashion figure drawing, so this video is continuity of that. So this video is about how to draw fashion figure poses part 2. If you haven't seen my part 1 video, I will give the link in description. Now you can see example pose. Now start to draw the head. Now you have to find center point of the pose for balancing. You can see a curvy line on the pose, so that is the center point. Finding center point is very important in fashion figure poses, so you should find center point. Join the shoulders, ropes, hip and waist. Now draw bust shapes and features. For beginners, keep practicing daily and do different types of poses and find center point. And finding center point is not a big task, it's really easy. So keep practicing daily. Don't draw circle for the head. Draw a egg-shaped head. Now shoulders. Don't draw straight line for the shoulders. It's wrong. Draw a slanting slope shoulder. Now hand. Don't draw a straight line for the hand. It's absolutely wrong, because our hands can fold. page I will